Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Post Market Report, Grab Financial Independence channel. So today let's look at what happened in the market and what is the trade setup for tomorrow. So coming to SGS Nifty, currently 20 points down. Dow Jones and Nasdaq is almost close to 200 and 285 points down. So the tech companies are going to, like the Google uh, and a few other companies, Apple and few other companies are going to declare results today. So ahead of the results, the investors are cautious and booking the profits. So that is the reason today US markets are down. Coming to our market today, 78 points down, and it is showing a large bearish candle, same like this candle. So again, the market is on a roller coaster because Reliance, there was no stop today until it touched 2048. All the way it dragged from 15,877 to 15,700 levels the whole day. So even though Bank Nifty was very strong, Nifty was completely bearish. It could not sustain and it touched 15,700 levels. Once Reliance touched 2048 and started reversing back, a small pullback, only then it reversed back to 15,750 levels. But as per harmonics, it should reverse at 15,000, 2032 levels. But let's see, maybe if it holds this 2048, then I am expecting some reversal from here. But market is sensing some bit of exhaustion currently. That is very visible, clearly visible. HDFC Bank, you can see this is the results day. After that, it gave a gap up, but then again it started to fall. So the reversal levels again, I am repeating, it is at 1397. So anybody who is trying to accumulate on these stocks, please wait for one more round of selling. Until that, please wait for that. This is the last week also, expiry week. So please hold on because the as per option chain, Nifty and Bank Nifty both have supports at 15,700 and below that 15,500 only. So the resistance continues to be at 15,900, 16,000, and currently today huge writing has happened on 15,800. So 15,800 will be currently acting as a barrier for at least this expiry, and 15,700 will be acting as the support. Coming to Bank Nifty, 34,700 has a huge unwinding today. Unwinding today. So 34,500 is only the next level of support. Below that, 34,000 is having the support. So I am expecting nothing much from the Bank Nifty. Both the index, as I said yesterday, nothing much to expect from both the index. All the heavyweight index, including the IT part also, is is not that good as of now. So stay away from index calls. And if you are into selling, then it's fine. But for option buyers, kindly stay away because there is no much volumes until unless it clears this area 35,200 on the upside and anything below 34,300. For Nifty, 15,850 or 15,880 levels are the levels which should be considered for the longs. Until that, please stay away from longs. If it is falling below this level, as you know, every time it fell below this area, it took support around 15,500 levels. So again, this is going to be the sacrosanct levels for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's see once the option chain 15,000. This is Nifty. 15,800 is having 1,39,202 contracts, which means there is a huge writing happening on this strike 15,800. The next is 15,900, 1,41,000, and 16,000 is having 1,38,000. So almost every, all the three strikes are similar. Coming to here, on the support side, 15,700 is having 90,125 contracts. Below that, 83,333 on 15,500 strike option. So let's look at Bank Nifty also. Sorry. So coming to Bank Nifty, You can see 34,000, 35,000 is having huge resistance as of now, 82,727 contracts. Above that, 69,824 contracts in 35,500. And here, if you see 34,500 is having 52,731 contracts, and below that 55,264 contracts at 34,000 levels. So the market range is getting, uh, contracted. So these are the levels which is for the expiry 35,500 to 34,000, sorry, 35,000 to 34,500 levels or below that, and 15,800 and 15,500 levels should be the ideal levels for the coming expiry, which is next 2 days. So after that we have to see how market holds, if there is any doji candle, and after that if market reverts back to the pavilion. So coming to HDFC Bank, I gave the levels. Reliance, I gave the levels. Please wait for that. So wait for the tomorrow's candle if it is getting reversed. Otherwise, I am expecting if it is breaking below this level, if it doesn't sustain, then again it will come back to 1920 levels. IRCTC after a long run, you can see as per harmonics it started reversing continuously 5 days, all black cross. So I am expecting this should consolidate at least till 1900 levels, but it will not be in a straight line. Again it will be like a zigzag line. We have to wait for that. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank is the only one who is strong enough to hold the fall as of now. ICICI and SBI, and the rest others are performing poor. Bajaj Twins are performing good. Other than that, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank. I think IndusInd Bank, this is the perfect levels to accumulate, but let's have to wait and watch if it holds this 61.8% retracement levels. TCS could not sustain, again taking support at the levels which it took earlier on 20th July. So let's have to wait if it takes support around this level and starts reversing back. Mindtree. So IT pack, you can see only Happiest Minds, Coforge and Wipro, LTTS, Emphasis are in green. Rest other are in dark red. Dr. Reddy is the talk of the town today. You can see almost lower circuit today. So if you see, the company has, there were complaints, anonymous complaints, that the healthcare professionals in Ukraine and potentially in other countries were provided with improper payments by or on behalf of the company in violation of US anti-corruption laws. So that is the reason today there is a huge fall. So the results were also, obviously it's not that good. It was some 7 to 8 crores less than the previous estimate, than the last quarter. So the company has also reported this in the government enforcement forces, enforcement, and waiting for that. But still, these are all related to foreign jurisdictions, which could lead to civil and criminal sanctions. So we have to wait and see how this affects the the particular script. So the entire pharma stock, pharma sector was facing some selling issues. The selling issues continuing. So coming back to the mid caps and small caps, today CCL gave a huge breakout. So it made a breakout retest and then it started moving up, and we are since 380 levels, and we had captured this 100 points move. There are number of stocks which are in breakout or about to give breakouts. So some I can show here. Uptown is one such which is ready for the breakout now. Canfin Homes. So it has broke this triangle pattern, made a retest and then started moving up. There are multiple like this Kotex getting ready for the breakout. So many mid caps, small caps are performing very good. Please shift your focus from the, again I'm reiterating, please shift your focus from the index heavyweights or index calls and then focus on the mid caps and small caps. Everyone is performing huge. Coming to FIDA data, FI had sold for 1,459 crores and DA had bought for 729 crores. Again, some 700 crores difference is there. So I am expecting market to be consolidating at least for this expiry, and then we have to see if next expiry market is bullish or ready for a correction. But I'm sensing a bit of exhaustion here because it is continuously hovering around this area. So apart from Nifty 50 stocks, other stocks are performing well. So we can use those stocks which are in breakout. Like you had seen number of stocks given breakout in this bullish rally, but still there are some undervalued stocks, but with good fundamentals which are giving the breakout. We can use such stocks. There are multiple stocks in that, and we are providing each day in our group to our clients, and everybody is coming out with flying colors. So there are number of stocks in this, and we can utilize the same for the coming days during bearish days. So that's all, guys. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. And sorry, if you have any queries or comments, please post in the comment section. If you wanted to, if you wish to be added in our group, please post that in the comment section. I'll get you added. Thanks, guys. Good night.